Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you that how you will use your Google Drive. So let's start. And I will also show you in another videos how to use the connected apps with Google Drive, means Google Docs, Slides and others. So I'm starting. So first you need to open Google Chrome. Okay, now you will click this drive. So this is your Google Drive. Cross it, a place for all of your files. So here you can organize all types of files here. Here with shared with me, this means anyone have shared to you. That types of file will come with shared with me. So I'm going to show you another drive of mine like this. All of your things will be here. Cross. Here is suggested means these are the recent files you have opened. And these are all of your files. Okay, this is an Google Drive of Google Workspace account. Here is also shared with me. Means I can see who have shared with me what. Recents means what I opened last. Start means I have marked it. It is the drive of a Google Workspace account. I'm going to show another one of drive. This is the drive of your, means after you create files and folders. All the folders will be at the top here. And here you can go to shared with me. Here you can see the files who have shared with you. These are the files someone has shared with you, means many person. And these are the recents I have opened last. Start. I have nothing to start. If I delete something, then it will be in trash. And at the bottom here is storage. Here is written 92.4 MB of 15 GB used. Means Google will offer you 15 GB of storage, and how much of you have used, here it will show. Here is full blank. Only 92.4 MB is filled up. Okay. So now I will show you how to work with Google Drive. So my drive. At first my drive. So I will start from here. Here is suggested means recent. Okay. So I will start by showing how you can create a folder in Google Drive. So click new folder. Name the folder as Easy ICT or what name you want. Easy ICT. Okay. Easy ICT. Look, a folder has been created. Click 2 times to open this folder. Here is no file. Now I will show you how to upload a file. So I will show you in my drive. I will upload first in my drive. So click new. Then file upload. Then choose the file you want to upload. I will click in this syllabus and click open. Uploading one item. Finishing upload. Done. Upload done. Okay. So we can go down. Here is the syllabus PDF. So now I will show you how you will move this syllabus file in this Easy ICT folder. Just click it, left click, then here move. Or you can right click and then you can not share. You will click move to, click move to, where you want to move. Look, my drive, Easy ICT, this folder. You will click here. This folder is empty. You can make more subfolders inside Easy ICT, and there you can drop this file by clicking this option. You can do it by clicking here, untitled folder. I will not. Easy ICT. I will move here. Okay. So now look, here is not the easy ICT. Here we cannot find easy ICT. Means the syllabus, sorry. Go here. Easy ICT. Syllabus. Okay, like this, you can move to this folder. So now I will show you how you can share a file to someone else. Here are something. Just left click, right click, then share. Here is something a bit difficult. So first add people or groups. You will type here the mail ID, such as I'm typing a mail ID as okay, this mail ID. So now here, this is editor or viewer. Here you can, if you click viewer, then the person can only view it. But if you set it as editor, then the person whom you shared can edit it. Or commenter means he or she means the person whom you are sharing can comment on a specific place. Means comment on this. Here you can write a message that this is the syllabus or something else. This is a syllabus. Or you can do anything, type here. If you click notify people, then a mail will be sent to his Gmail, means this mail. Or if you don't want to send mail, just only share it. Then you will just turn off this notify people and click share. Okay, person added. So this file has been shared. So now I will show you how you will open a file. Just click 2 times in a file, the file will open. Okay, this is the file. Okay. So now here is something funny that if you open a PDF file, here option comes open with Google Docs. If you click in it, some of the text will be scanned and Google Docs can recognize it. I will show you it in the Google Docs video. Okay. So now this file, if you click get link, the Google will give you a link of this file and I will show you. Okay, link. Here is restricted, means this is the link of this file and here is called restricted. And anyone with the link. Here is restricted because if someone tries to open the link, then what will happen? They will be restricted and they will be wanting their mail IDs and send a mail notification to you and you need to admit them to open this file. So I will show you first with this restricted one, copy link. So now you can anywhere paste it and send it to anyone. But whom wants to open it, they will need to access permission from you. So I am trying to open this. I have opened it. But if I change my mail ID, okay, look, you need access. You need access because I am don't accessing this. Here I can type a message or I can click request access. Request access, request send. Done. Okay, now I'm going to mail ID of this. Gmail ID. So it's easy. Where is the mail ID? This one. Okay, look. Share request for syllabus PDF. Open it. Here, editor, and if I click share, now refresh this page. Means access denied. Look, now this mail ID can open this file. So this has been done. And now I will show you by showing it by get link and anyone with the link. Got it. You can click your viewer and change this. Editor, updating, link will be always updated. And then this link, you can click copy link to copy this link copied. Paste this link. Changing my mail ID. Oops, opened. No permission required. Okay, so this thing you have been cleared. Okay, now let's click it. Here is written make a copy, means a duplicate copy of it will be created. Let's click it. Creating. Okay, copy of syllabus PDF. So these two files are same. Again, if we right click it, there is rename. We can rename it to Easy ICT. Easy ICT. Look, Easy ICT.pdf, syllabus.pdf. You can again left click. Yes, written download. You can also download it and open from your file manager. Okay. Now you can also move it or add to start. Means you are giving more attention to it. Add to start. One file added to start. If you click undo, it will not happen. Start. Look, here start Easy ICT. Okay. Remove from start. There will be no start files. Like this, you can work in Google Drive. And now I will show you that what are the connected apps with Google Drive. Here, if you click new, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Forms. Okay, so Google Docs is such as Microsoft Word. Google Sheet is Microsoft Excel. Google Slides is Microsoft PowerPoint, like this. And I don't know what is Google Forms is. Here is Google Drawings. You can draw here. Google My Maps, Google Sites, Google Apps Script, and Google Jamboard. This Google Jamboard is like OneNote, Microsoft OneNote. These are the connected apps of Google Drive. So this is a file of Google Forms. This is a file of Google Forms. So like this, you can do everything. And at last, I want to show you how you will delete a file. Just click a file or what? Left click a file. And here is also remove. Or here is also delete option. Click one, delete. File move to trash. Here trash. Look. And now, after 30 days, all the files will be removed. Means it is a continuous process. After 30 days, all the files will be removed slowly. If I click empty trash, then all the files in this trash will be deleted. Or if I right click it and then delete forever, then it will be deleted. Or if I click restore, then it will again. If I click show file location, locating, look this file I have deleted. Again delete by clicking this. I'll move to trash. Here trash, look this file. Now right click and I will now show you delete forever. Delete forever. I can never find it. File deleted forever. Okay, so now let's search in my drive. No, there is no Daffodil files. Okay, like this you can work in Google Drive and look, storage has been counted. That was 98, now 94. And here, this option, if you click, then all will be in listed view like this list. If I click this grid view, all will be like this box. I like this grid view. Okay, and now here is search drive. If you click here, you can search by which type of file. Documents. These are the documents. Then what type of PDFs? These are the PDFs. So like these types of photos and images and these types of, or you can search by name, such as I'm typing, such as Primrose. What? Primrose. No recent items match with your search. Search older items. Look, Primrose. These are all the files named with Primrose. So these are, and here is Easy ICT. Let's go into it. 2 files with same. I will show you how you will delete a folder. Just left click it, remove. Then same thing. Okay. So in next video, I will show you how to work with all the apps connected with Google Drive. So now bye and thanks for watching my video, and I will think that it will be useful for you. Thanks.